Hey there, this is Anand from SE Edison YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create aqua and orange color tone effect just like from this to this. So if you want to know how to create this kind of photo editing in your own images, then stay tuned with me without skipping this video, and I will show you everything about this tutorial with one-click photo editing. So before go further into the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and not just subscribe, ring the bell that you might never miss my another future tips, tricks and tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright dude, so I am going with this photo. So first of all, I will open this image in Lightroom application. Now also what I am gonna do is I will just open my another gallery. So as you can see this photo, this is a preset that I am going to use for it. Let's just share this preset also in Lightroom application. So guys, I have given that preset link in the description below. So at the end of this video, go ahead and download that preset. Okay. So first of all, let's just open this preset. And after that, what I am gonna do is just listen to me very carefully, and what I am going to show you, just watch it very carefully. Okay, so first of all, let's just open this preset, and after that go to this three dot icon, then just scroll down a bit and copy setting. Now after you done that, just hit OK. Now just slide your model image. Now after that, just go to the three dot icon again and go to paste setting. All the changes, as you can see, has been applied successfully, and it looks so much amazing. So guys, now our photo is almost complete, but I will go some adjustment. I will give some details that my photo looks much better. So first of all, what I am gonna do is I will go to this slider and I will decrease some temperature. So if I decrease the temperature slider, as you can see, the aqua or cyan tone is increasing so much, and it looks so amazing. So I will go to this number and I will increase some vibrance also. It looks amazing. Now I will go into the below button and I will increase more clarity on it. It looks so gorgeous. Okay, now I will just give some vignette effect, just a tiny effect. Superb. And just I am going to this triangle icon and do some sharpening on it, and also I will give some noise reduction. So almost my photo is ready, and I will just go to this sun tab or this sun icon and decrease some contrast too. I will decrease some blacks also, and I will go further into the vibrance tab. It looks so much amazing. So guys, our photo editing is complete. Let me show you the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. Just only one preset can change everything, isn't it? So if you don't know how to save this image, then go to this three dot icon and save to device. On highest available quality mode, just hit OK. Your photo will be saved. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if it did, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and not just subscribe, ring the bell that you might never miss my another future tips, tricks and tutorial. So guys, I will see you in my next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.